My name is Marissa Brooks, and I am a biology major.
My name's Daniel Holton. I'm a rising sophomore.
I'm Carter. I am a PhD student from Virginia Tech in macromolecular science and engineering.
My name is Brianna Herrera. I'm from the University of Texas in El Paso. I was born and raised in El Paso.
I'm Natalie. I'm going to the University of Alberta in Canada.
We have faculty who want to work with you, who want to sit down and work on research projects with you. But you talk to any faculty member and staff on this campus, and the sole reason that they came here, it's you. It's to work with you. That's what this institution does, and it does exceptionally well. It invests our time, our collective time, in you.
I'm from Florida Agriculture and Mechanical University.
I'm from Alabama A&M University.
I'm from South Carolina State University.
I'm a senior in high school and I go to Aiken Scholars Academy. I do dual enrollment at USC Aiken, so I take full-time classes at USC Aiken.
My name is Isabella Gismondi and I'm a biology major.
My name is Braden Williams. I go to Augusta University. I'm an undergrad majoring in chemistry.
I am a biology major here at USC Aiken.
My name is Matthew and I just graduated from the University of California, Riverside, and I'm about to go to the University of California, San Diego for a master's.
This experience has been really nice, really wonderful. Learning a lot from all the mentors, all the people, all the breadth of knowledge that they have here.
Great PIs, great mentors, great experience.
My experience with Dr. Harmon especially has been so much fun. She's probably one of the best professors I've ever had.
Shout out Dr. Harmon.
She makes coming to class just fun.
Facts. Shout out again, Dr. Harmon. USC Aiken has some of the best professors, can't lie.
Really, really good experience. And with this, I'm so grateful for it because now I've realized I definitely want to go into biology, maybe even go to grad school and become a professor myself.
We're all here in the AMC building. All of our desks are right back there, so.
Yeah, we work pretty close to each other.
Dr. Hancock. I think he's really great. He's really funny, and I really appreciate it because you make so many mistakes in lab, especially when you're learning, and he's super understanding, but does a very good job about teaching it to you in a way that you're going to understand. And he also gives us a lot of great opportunities to present at conferences, and yeah, he's really the best.
We're very, very friendly. We'll help each other. You know, if things are going wrong, we can troubleshoot together. It's very nice.
I was under Dr. Harmon and Dr. James Yates. She was very kind, very patient, very passionate about what she does. And Dr. Yates is hilarious. I love Dr. Yates. He's awesome. They are both incredible people. They're awesome.
I worked on a project with Dr. April Delorier, and we developed a novel restriction enzyme-based genotyping protocol for zebrafish PHF21AA and AB.
I work with cacti family elements, transposable elements, and specifically I'm working on altering the terminal inverse repeat sequences of those cacti family elements, specifically TGM9.
And my project is focused on finding a cure for HIV.
The ultimate goal is to take those genes and implant it into a different plant, which is what Madison does.
But I think that our overall lab goal is really to one, understand crops and understand different genome editing tools, because really you have to yours is more focused on the soybean as a whole and understanding the genes, and then mine's more focused on changing those genes or using transgenes and then using targeted insertion to then target them where we want. But it's very flexible. You work with your professor or your PI, your personal investigator, and they give you a schedule that you work on. So if you have time between classes, you can go in the lab and work. You don't usually need them there to do what you need to do. They tell you what you do, and you should know the protocol and everything, and you just do it yourself.
I just really loved being able to experience what the biology field is, what people do in a lab, and I think SSI as a whole is just a really great opportunity for getting people out in the workforce and letting people find things that they wouldn't even know that they enjoyed.
He's got good people working in his lab that I think it makes it such an enjoyable environment to not only do research, but also I'll ask Madison for help, she'll ask me for help. It's really welcoming, and funny guy and loves plants.
He really